So you have your landing page, you're running traffic to it. Maybe it's working great, maybe it sucks. So what do you do if it sucks? So there's something you have to look out for first. You have to know if the traffic is good first before you know if you need to test the landing page or not. You assess the search terms and you decide that, okay, these search terms are good. They're exactly what my client or myself wants. In this example, it's a landscape design page. So they're all about landscape design. They're not any of the ideas type keywords or pictures. It's all really good stuff. All the keywords are really good. So then from that, you based it on the data, you decided that you have a landing page problem. So it's not converting because the landing page is not working. So what you need to do is A/B test your landing page. Okay. Don't go and create a whole brand new landing page. Just A/B test. It should be your first step once you determine that it's not a Google Ads problem. So in high level, you're allowed to A/B test, right? You have a control and a variation. That's what you're looking at right now. So some good advice here. What you want to do is only test one thing at a time. Now, what do I mean by that? You can test a million different things. I could change the button color. I could change the icons. I could change the services. I could delete sections of the page and make it shorter. But I'm telling you, you want to take it one test at a time. And it sucks and it's slow and it's like crawling on broken glass, but you want to do it because that's how you're going to win and how you're going to get those conversion rates like we get, right? You want those. Those are the types of conversion rates you want. You want every page you run to be at minimum 20% conversion rate. It's super important. It makes your leads cheaper. It makes your life easier. It makes everybody happy. So just that's what you should be shooting for. All right. So how we do that, right? We come into high level. We have our control page, which I just threw on a random domain I own. So we're going to come over here. We're going to create variation. We're going to duplicate control. And then we're going from there. If it lets me do it. It's not going to let me do it. All right. Well, there we go. Good. It worked. Perfect. So from there, I now have the duplicated version 1. All right. So then I'm going to go into edit. And I'm going to start pulling up my editor. Now, the first thing I always split test, and remember guys, we do mobile. The first thing I always split test is the main headline. Okay? That is the first thing. So I will test that, number one. I'll change it out. I'll go to ChatGPT, kind of like how I teach in the copy section, which actually might be below this video you're watching right now. I haven't decided yet where I'm going to stick this little landing page crash course. So it's either going to be below this or above it. I'm not sure. So depending on that, that's how you're going to want to structure and set your headlines, right? You're going to want to use ChatGPT and just do a prompt where it's something similar to, give me you're a landscape design architect, you're a landscape designer, and you're running Google Ads traffic to your landing page. You want to get people to book a free consultation to come up with some ideas for a landscape design project. How would you write a headline? Keep it under 90 characters, right? You're going to do something along those lines. And I just came up with that on the fly. So you can do better just by putting in like 2 minutes of thinking. And I'm sure you'll get a better outcome. But that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to change out your headline to whatever your test is. You're going to hit publish. And then your A/B test is going to be running. Okay, start the split test. You're going to click that next, and it's going to start dividing the traffic 50-50 between the control and your variant. All right, so get data, get 30 days, decide which is the winner, and then to make that winner the control and the test, make it the control and start again, test something else. This is an ongoing process, guys. It never ends. I've had clients that we've had for years, 5-6 years, and we still are running tests. And we just build it into our optimization process. So it's just a checklist. That's all it really is. It's like, oh, okay, we're working on XYZ account this week. All right, test is ending. Let's start a new test. Then we'll test something else. And we're constantly doing that with all of our clients because that's how you get those crazy high conversion rates. So you got to do this, guys. I know it can be time consuming. It can suck, but always start with the headline first. Okay. And from there, and you'll find your winner eventually. It might take you 2 or 3 or 4 tests, but you will find your winner. And then you move down the page and then you test other things and you just take it one test at a time. And that's how you're totally going to win with a product like High Level or Instapage or Unbounce or any of those things. They do A/B testing, have it built in so you can do it. All right. So keep that in mind. You want to be A/B testing. This is the most important takeaway from this whole landing page section. All right, just creating a landing page and running it, and then throwing your hands in the air and saying Google Ads doesn't fucking work because you got no leads. All right, that's not how you should do it. It's not working because you're probably bouncing off your landing page. And I've already told you how to determine whether you need to test your landing page or not. And if you have a Google Ads problem, landing page problem, that's how you got to look at this and kind of take a step back and be like, okay, I got to test some shit because this is not working. And this is one of the biggest pieces of optimization when it comes to any type of paid marketing.